How to change the press and hold of your power button for your OnePlus Nord phone with Android 15. If you want that when you press down on your power button, it will give you this menu here. Then you'll go into the quick access, tap on the settings here. From here on, you can go ahead and type in the words press and hold, all right? Press and hold. And you'll see the suggestion here as you're typing it, go into it. And this will allow you to choose whether it's going to be the power menu or digital assistant. Usually if you just got your phone, it will be set to the digital assistant. And if you want it to set to the power menu, just go ahead and select it by tapping here. So you can switch between these by tapping here. And whichever one you choose, the long press would be like this here. And that's how you would go about turning off your phone. If you decide to stick with the digital assistant and you want to turn off your OnePlus phone, simply hold down on the power button and the volume up together at the same time like this here, and you'll get this now. And that's how you would go about turning it off if you choose to stick with the digital assistant, like and so.